What's up, guys? Welcome back to Nerf Nerd Productions. Today we're reviewing my new favorite blaster, the rival Nemisis. This thing is a beast. It's, I'd say, about 3 feet long. It's almost 7 pounds, especially with 6D batteries that go in it. I currently do not have the rival rechargeable battery pack. I have one ordered online. We'll be getting that soon. Comes with 100 rival rounds, which is what fits in the hopper, more or less. Actually, more. You can fit probably 110 in there. As you can see, there's a little bit of space. And this thing is just a beast. Full auto, rival. Sounds like a lawnmower. Let's see what it does. Yeah, and from where I'm at down to that door down there, we're looking at least 100 feet, and the balls are all down there. There's some that are spit back from ricochets, but they were all hitting it. It's just a monster. We just went through 100 rounds in, I'd say, less than a minute, probably. And look at that foamy carnage all over the place. So, the rival Nemisis here, MSRP on it is $99.99, $100. Most retailers are selling it from $72.99 to $78.99. I happened to pick one up at Toys R Us before it went out and got it at 40% off, which was a steal. Walked out of there with it at $48.99. Less than 50 bucks for Nemisis. Awesome. Alright, well, till next time.